How to transfer money to Cash App from a debit card. First things first, just open up your Cash App. See that little profile icon up in the top right corner? Go ahead and tap on that. That's going to bring you right into your main account menu. Now, scroll down a bit until you see Linked Banks and tap on it. As you can see on my screen, I've already got a card connected, but if you don't yet, no sweat. You'll see a button that says Link Debit Card. Just tap that, type in your card info real quick, and you're good to go. Once your card is completely added, just hit that back arrow in the top left corner to head home. From there, look at the very bottom left of your screen and tap on your money amount. That's going to open up your main cash dashboard. On this dashboard, go ahead and hit the Add Money button. Now, the app gives you a few quick shortcut amounts you can click on, but for this walkthrough, let's tap those three dots on the bottom right so we can type in an exact number. Perfect. Now you can type in whatever amount you want to transfer. For this tutorial, let's just do $5. Type that in and then hit that big green Add button sitting at the very bottom. And just like that, you'll see a screen popping up letting you know the $5 was instantly added to your balance. Just tap Done at the bottom and you are all set. Thanks for watching. If you also use Chime and want to know how to move funds from there, click right here to watch my quick guide on how to transfer money from Chime to Cash App next.